A random picture of a moment you are genuinely happy Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here. So keep on watching. So first of all you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen. And here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. So it's this one. And from here you have to go to viral now from highlights, and you have to click until you find the desired stickers. So as you can see, I only have viral stickers right here. So there we have it. And from here you have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on this button, you can go to the first pin comment, which I already put a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on this add yours button. So yeah, from here you have to go to your uploads, which is in the left bottom corner, and choose a random picture of a moment you are genuinely happy. So I will go with a random photo. So I will go with this one. This is just an example for you guys. It doesn't have to be perfect right now. So you can place your picture where you want, and you can do the same thing with your sticker. So from here you have to click on send to, then click share to your story, and then click on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.